Hi Ria, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Tell us about your treatment. Why did you come here?
I came here because I had one tooth protruding out of my mouth and I wanted all my teeth aligned perfectly.
How was your treatment? Did it go smooth?
Yes, it went very well. I was nervous in the beginning because I didn't know if it was possible, but Dr. Aravind did the best treatment possible and gave me a perfect smile.
Thank you. How did you come to know about our clinic?
I came to know through Google and reviews.
So you went through the reviews, then you believed the reviews and you came here. Now
Yes,
you are happy with your treatment and result.
I'm very happy. It was the best decision I took.
Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, and I would recommend others also to visit this place if you have any dental problems.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.